They're going to the cow. Bye-bye, baby. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, there's a baby cow. You like the baby cow? How about you, Illy boy? Okay, you wanna check the baby cow? Okay. Challenge accepted. Okay. Be careful. Hi, baby cow. Are you shy? Yeah, he's going back home. He's got a boo-boo. Oh, do not get closer. Do not get closer. Okay. To the baby goat. The next one is the baby goat. Go. Come on. To the baby goat. Come on, go. Go. Oh, baby goat. Go to baby goat. Come on. Walk faster. Yes. Bye-bye. Wow, that's great. So, where? Show it to me. Here. Here's another one. Wow, it's fantastic. How about you? Show me. Show it to mommy. Show it to mommy. Wow, that's so nice. Wow, other one nice. Go, go. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Kagihana Daria Kagihana Okay, go. Saman, you wanna stay here and play? What? You wanna stay here and play? What are you thinking? Oh, that's a bigger one.
It's mine.
No, anak. It's mine karon. Usa man ni lakiha oy. Here you go. I got another one.
It's my girl.
Okay. Very good. Very good. You share it. Yay! How many you got? It's 1, 2. And Astrid. 1.
2.
Where's yours? 1.
One.
The other one. 2. Yes.
What's mine? It's Tisha.
2.
Let's go. Go on. Let's get her.
What will we get?
Let's go.
Okay.
2 are here.
Mama Sandra. Mama.
No, it's Daddy's Sandra. It's a Mama Sandra.
Oh, yeah, very good. Ay, nako.
It's a Mama Sandra.
It's a Mama Sandra. Alright, let's go. Go ahead na. What is that? Illy boy. What is that in front of you? What is that?
It's like a sheep.
A sheep. Does it look like a sheep? Yeah, exactly. It looks like a sheep. Tickle, tickle, sheep.
It's like a sheep.
It's like Ramanday, dili mo na sheep. Sinan.
Shells.
Ew.
It shells.
Dirty.
It shells.
Tana, guna, guna. Let's go.
Eagle.
Ayaw.
Ow.
Guna, guna. Okay, let's go na.
Oh, it's mine. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
The Shirley's going up out. Shirley, mine. Good. Let's go to our chicken first.
Oh! What is it?
It's like a goat.
It's like a goat, right? It's like a goat.
Yeah, Mommy.